This game is so cooked. What are these chats, bro? And these are sent to me, bro. These are sent to me. Look at these. The Forsaken fandom is so done, bro. Bro, maybe Cash Rider was onto something. Now I got a server wipe. Yeah, no, I'm gonna record this. I'm gonna record server wiping, by the way. Oh yeah, yeah. Who was saying all that sus stuff earlier? You were saying all that sus stuff earlier. Yeah, you're dead now. Alright, I won't be toxic, and I wasn't trying to be. That person was just annoying me so bad, bro. I don't even know them like that.
We got 6,000 pounds above what, however you
Gotta go for this guest. Alright, I'm not bro. Time to walk in.
Well, we need to drink some of this anyway. Before we get time. We lost more water. We didn't lose part of it. That's a couple potholes and laces. And then we come here.
University has been making education affordable and attainable.
You could be doing what kind of squat? Where makes the slap on the face? And then we had.
Okay, I don't know where the 2 time is.
I'll go ahead and let that water.
Where is this 2 time hiding? Okay, this man is just eternally hiding, and I'm gonna lose, bro. What? Where is this man? What do you mean? How am I supposed to find him? This man isn't even here. Whoa! Did you guys see that? I killed you!